So here I am, back on the bike again. Another ride, another story. This time, we're going all the way from Bahrain to Jordan. Sounds simple, right? Just hop on the bike and ride across a few countries. Easy. Well, that's what we thought. It all started with a casual chat over coffee when we randomly decided to plan a long ride. Next thing you know, we're planning routes, finding fuel stops, googling border rules we really don't understand, and pretending like we know what we're doing. Well, every ride tells a story, but this was a journey. What unfolded was more than just a road trip. It was a test of distance, endurance, and brotherhood. Welcome to episode 1 of the new season, the Bahrain to Jordan ride. Now, I have this bad habit, or maybe it's blind faith in German engineering, but I never really seriously check my bike before a long ride. She's been with me for 9 years, no issues. Why mess with perfection? Except this time. Right at the start of the ride, my fuel cap decided to play games. It just wouldn't close.
Hello, this is fuel cap. Fuel cap close. I don't know, it's popping.
In that moment I thought, am I the one who is going to delay this trip?
No, it's not popping back.
But somehow, she needs another man's touch. എന്തായാലും സാധനം ശരിയായി. Crisis averted.
Okay. Aye. ഞങ്ങൾ ക്രോസ് ചെയ്തു കേട്ടോ. ഓൾവേസ് തുറന്നിരിക്കത്തില്ല. എടാ ഇപ്പോൾ ചാനൽ 6 ആണോ 8 ആണോ? 6 or 8? Okay guys, please call out your names so we know everyone is on the channel. ഹാരി മാത്രമല്ല, you stay in the middle. Okay, yalla go. McDonald's ബാക്കിലായിരിക്കും.
We rolled into Saudi and met the rest of the gang at a petrol pump near Kobar. I am still in disbelief that we all are actually doing this trip.
നമ്മൾ ഇത്ര പേരേ ഉള്ളൂ. അത് പമ്പിൽ എടാ എന്താണ്
വളരെ നല്ലൊരു പരിപാടിയാണ്.
ജോലിയൊക്കെ ഒതുക്കിയോ?
ജോലിയൊക്കെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു വിട്ടു. അതല്ല, അവിടെ പോയിട്ട് തിരിച്ചു വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ഇതേ ലുക്കിൽ തന്നെ കിട്ടിയാൽ മതിയായിരുന്നു. പോകാനുള്ള തിരിച്ചു വരുമ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാവില്ലല്ലോ.
Everybody please gather.
Yep. Yes sir.
We all are not riding together for the first time. We know the rules and attitude of each other, but before every big ride, the captain's briefing is necessary, so we have a clear idea of how we will move forward.
The rider behind me will be on the right, then the left, right, and sweeper will be back, which is Jishan. Every petrol station we're going to reach, fuel up, whether you have half tank, minimum tank, fill full. Okay, that's all. Enjoy the ride. Okay, nothing to be stressed out about. Okay, calm, easy ride. And if you are having any trouble, please communicate.
Right, so we're gonna officially start the ride. All of us have gathered here now in Al Khobar, and our first stop today is to Hafr Al Batin, and we have another 5 hours 16 minutes, but that's gonna take at least 7 hours because we're gonna make more stops and fill fuel and stuff like that. So let's go. ആരും സെന ഓണാക്കിയില്ലേ? ഈശ്വര. ഹലോ. I think I'll put my phone on charge. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ എത്തുന്നതിന് മുമ്പേ ഇത് ചാർജ് തീരും. All the best, all the best.
Around 200 kilometers into the ride, we stopped to refill air in one of the bikes. That's when I looked up, away from the city lights in the silence of the desert night. The sky revealed itself an endless canvas of stars. We ride through the night so often, yet we rarely notice it, distracted by the headlights, gauges and the road ahead. But in that still moment, under the sky full of stars, it felt magical, and I managed to snap a picture of Harry on my phone.
So we are now in a place called Naria. We just had dinner from this Pakistani restaurant. We have another 260 kilometers to reach Hafr Al Batin. So we can do it in 3 hours, but we'll take a break in the middle. It's getting really colder also. So yeah, everyone's getting ready. And we should be there by 1 in the night. I filled this jerry can with half the capacity. Everyone filled up their tanks to the full. That's enough for us to reach Hafr Al Batin. എടാ അപ്പുറത്ത് ഭയങ്കര പരിപാടി, റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് കാർണിവൽ, വിന്റർ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ. So we just left Naria behind and we are back on the road, and back to the road with no straight lights again, and I don't see much reflectors on the road, so I'm not so sure if we can ride that fast.
Riding at night can be really tough. With long distances and tight schedules, we push ourselves and the bikes hard, and when the roads are dark and unfamiliar, it takes all your focus just to stay safe. It's tiring, both for the body and the mind. That's why we take stops whenever we can, just to stretch, sip some coffee, and let the silence recharge us, even if it's only for a few minutes.
I think we covered half the distance.
I know. ഞാൻ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ 1, 2 and കുറച്ച് കുറേ ആയിരുന്നു.
So we have another 150 kilometers more to reach Hafr Al Batin, and this is probably the last stop we're taking for the night. We just had a coffee. It's good coffee.
After 8 hours and 550 kilometers, we finally reached our hotel in Hafr Al Batin. Everybody was tired and decided to quickly get some rest because tomorrow we have an 800 kilometer ride to Tureif. So that's it for day 1 of the ride to Jordan. Thanks for watching, guys. Do follow and subscribe so you can get notified when the next episode is out.